I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Linking your bank account to Cricket Wireless can streamline your payments, so let us get started. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Cricket Wireless app or website and log in with your credentials. This is where you allow manage your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to payment options. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SR.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the payment options, look for an option to add bank account. Click on it to start entering your bank details. Step 4. Enter your bank information. Fill in your bank account number and routing number. Double check these numbers to avoid any issues. A common mistake is mixing up the routing and account numbers, which can cause payment failures. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your information, review it for accuracy, then click Save or Confirm. You should receive a confirmation message once it is linked successfully. Now you're all set. Linking your bank account to Cricket Wireless makes managing payments much easier. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.